Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Thursday, February 20th, 2025, coming to you from international, global, dare I say galactic headquarters. Doing some videos, and what I woke up with this morning, what I woke up with this morning is just simple, basic life advice. And when my father-in-law, mostly my dad, but my father-in-law a little bit, used to tell me this when I was younger, it seemed so goofy, it seemed so silly. It just didn't seem like it applied to me. But the older I get, it applies to me, and guess what? It applies to you. Today, assuming we're going to live for the next at least 24 hours, we only have 24 hours today. We're all given 24 hours. The employees that work for my friend Jose, guess what? Assuming they're going to live all day today, which they probably will, they have 24 hours today to complete whatever they want to complete. When I woke up this morning, I have, Lord willing, 24 hours today in this day to complete whatever I want to complete or start or work on. So no matter where you're at in the world, no matter what your color, race, creed, religion, whatever, if I missed one, social standing, we all start the day on an even platform. We have 24 hours today. So what are you going to do with your 24 hours? Are you going to feel sorry for yourself? Are you going to grind away? And if you're self-employed, just make that next phone call and then the next one and the next one. Or if you're an employee standing at a machine, whatever fits your situation, what are you going to do with the minutes, the hours that you have today? Sounds kind of corny advice, I know. When I first heard it, I'm like, Dad, phooey on that. But again, we all start the day, no matter where you're at in the world, on a level playing field of we're given 24 hours every day. Anyhow, simple yet profound. I'm going to put the video below that I did yesterday because this applies a little bit. A lot of people I know fall into three categories. It's a little bit longer. It's under 10 minutes, but like 8 or 9 minutes. Video number 1 in the description box. But that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. And I got to get going. I only got 24 hours today. Love y'all. Bye-bye.